Hi, this is Ronnie. Today I'm going to talk about something really interesting. Like I told you last week that from next week we're going to start about on something on automation or something different, not like scraping and all. I think Shupratim has already started doing the basic stuffs of Python. Like I think he already put uh, let me check. Yes, today he just uploaded one video on Python strings. This is for all the beginners who actually, those who are interested to learn something about Python as their first programming language. Even if it's not your first programming language, that is no issue. Like you can again go through the materials or tutorial, whatever is there, you will get some idea about Python. But again, but the thing is that for my video today, it will be something different. Like as I told you, like it will be really something funny and interesting. Like you guys can apply the logics which I am going to talk today in anywhere, like any kind of web application. Web application, I'm going to tell you, like uh, the 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 element or the component which I'm going to use, it is only applicable for the web application. So I think many of you already did the correct guess. Like yes, I'm going to talk about Selenium WebDriver for Python. I think this is very much popular nowadays, and all sort of automation testing and other stuffs can be done using the Selenium WebDriver. So when you combine Python and Selenium WebDriver, it can become a deadly combo. So that you can achieve anything over any sort of like web-based applications using your browser or any browser like Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, or whatever you want. But today I'm going to use Chrome with Selenium WebDriver and Python. So I just thinking like in the morning, like on which topic shall I start. So I saw that some of you already send me like some connection request over LinkedIn. So I'm just thinking like this is very kind of this is one thing like which I often I do forget to like go through my LinkedIn profile and check who else is sending me connection requests and all, and after that accepting all the requests in this. So I'm thinking like why I think I should create something like which can go through which can go to my LinkedIn profile using my credential logged into my LinkedIn profile, and after that it can automatically go to my network connection feed, and after that it can accept all the connections. I think this is kind of same time this is this like something very funny and something very interesting. So I'm going to do the same thing today. Yes, you heard me right. Like I'm going to uh, develop one Python script or bot, whatever you can tell it. Like it will in first step it will log in to your it will use your credential to log into your LinkedIn account, and after that it will go to your like network tab, and after that it will click all your connection like maybe two three four whatever is there, and after that it will means first step it will select all, and after that it will accept all connection by using the submit button and whatever is there. I'm not sure what is there, so let me just go through it so you will be able to understand. For example, the first step is it is going to log in to my LinkedIn account. For example, my Chrome is having my password and everything is set, that is why it is doing it. But in the real life example, I will use my credential and password. I will show you how you can do it, but I'm not going to tell you my user ID and password. Don't worry, I will do it from CSV file. So it will be also new learning for you guys. Like I will create a CSV file. Inside the CSV file, I'll put my user ID and password, and from the Python script, I'll call the file. I'll read the file. I'll pass those row 0, row 1 element to the Python script, and from there it will log into my LinkedIn profile. Let me check. Okay, I have three requests. All these are like good friend of mine. Like he's also like actually both of us started career on the same day. Like he's also a good friend of mine. He's also one of the like what can I say about him? Like he's also like working with me. Like not working with me at this moment. Like we worked together last time, but now he's working in one of the one of the big four company, like from from the LinkedIn profile you can imagine like what type of work he's doing. So again, another guy, he's also Amit. He's also going to start publishing video in our channel. He's also working with me as a consultant in the same company where I'm working. So guys, so this is the thing, like uh, so my job is to not my job, the job of the script which I am going to write is, it will first log in to my profile, and after that it will go, okay, I can do something like, can, okay, so step 1 it will log in, step 2 it will cross this like thing, and after that it will go here, and after that it will go here in the fourth step, fifth step it will click here, and after that I think, okay, and last step it will accept. So this is the thing. So if I do it here, like let me first uh, close this window and let me start writing this. Okay, before doing something, so here we need like two important things. First thing, we need to import Selenium package, and by installing this I will tell you like how to do it. I have already done it, so I'm not going to tell you how to do all this stuff. It is very simple. In the video description I will put everything. The second thing, you have to install, or you have to have your Selenium WebDriver, sorry, Chrome WebDriver for Selenium. So this is the file. I have put it in some other like folder. This is my one of my folder, I can tell you. So this is my Eclipse workspace. I have put my thing here. This is a Chrome WebDriver. Let me tell you how to download and put it. So if you go here and if you search Chrome WebDriver download, so you can download from here. Okay, so just because I am using Mac, so I am using this Mac version, and after that I have just unzip it and place it over here. It's simple. And after that I will tell you how to like pass this path as an argument while writing the script. So let's get started with the script. The first thing, we need to import Selenium. So I think this is, so next thing I think we have to write import CSV, as I'm going to write something in the CSV. Okay, so second thing, what else we required, this is the thing, right? This is the thing. I think these two things are important. We don't need something else. Okay, one important thing I'll tell you, like import okay, if I import those things now, then it will be difficult for you guys to understand. Maybe we can do it at the later stage if required. So let's get back to our actual code. So what I'm going to write, first, as I told you, I need to have I need to like I need to know my user ID and password to use it inside my code. So I will open or rather I will create a CSV file. So I have already created the CSV file over here. Like if you refresh this, see there is a credential.csv. So it is like in this format, like email comma password. I'm not going to open that CSV file, don't worry. But trust me, my user ID and password is placed over there, don't worry about that. Okay, after this like video, if you use my code like by yourself in your like ID, whatever, in Eclipse or PyCharm, it will work, don't worry about that. So first thing is that I have to open that CSV file and read from the CSV file, so that we can use those CSV row 0 and row 1 element as a username and password. So for that, with and then open, inside that I have to pass the CSV file name, that is credential.csv, and I think I am opening it as a read mode. uh, I think I don't need that as make it as this. I think this is okay. Yes, now let's create one variable like CSV row equals to f1 dot what happened, why it is not coming, f1 dot csv reader thing csv dot reader f1. mm, I think delimiter will be our comma. Delimit equals to, this is fine. Delimiter equals c0 c spirit f1 delimiter equals to 1. Okay, I think this is okay. Then I think let's pass to variable like email equals to csv row 0 pwd pswd means our password will be csv row 1. I think this part is clear. Just guys, just take some time, you will be able to understand what is happening over there, then it will be easier. I think I have missed something. I did it. I missed something, but I did it intentionally. Can someone tell me like what I have missed over here? Mm-hmm. No, maybe this time code will work, but in ideal case this will not work. Like for CSV row, I think this will be for row in CSV row, right? Because anyways we are not sure like how many elements will be there, right? Right. Then this will become, so this is fine. I hope you guys understand, but this is fine. Any doubt now? I'm not sure. Okay, so if you, okay, I can do something like just to make sure that you guys like, I know you guys trust me, but again I'm just going to print my email ID so you guys will be able to understand like it is actually like getting some data from the file and my password is already means my email ID and password is already there. So if I run, see, so now I will understand that it has something, right? So fine. So if I give it like this part, like credential, reading credential from file. So what is our next part? The next part is the most important part. Like we use Selenium, like sorry, we import Selenium, but till now we haven't used that. And again, I told you something about Chrome driver, but till now we haven't used that. So now I'm going to use that Selenium. So I have to what I have to do, I have to like I have to like create the Selenium WebDriver object, and with that object we'll do everything. Like okay, so next thing is that from Selenium import I think this is from Selenium import WebDriver. I think this is the Selenium WebDriver which we are going to use, right? Okay, done. Then let me do something. Options. Not this options, like there is a variable called options. I'm telling you why. I think I should have done the other videos first, but anyways I'll do it. Like web driver dot, why the Chrome, why this is Chrome option, because I'm going to use Chrome as of now. Just remember in such way, but I will explain you everything, each and everything. And then options dot add argument. This will be like uh, this disable, I believe disable notification. Is it there something? Okay, I'm explaining. I'll explain you each and everything. Don't worry about that. But first, let me like write this thing. No, this is not right. Okay, so this is done. What next? Now I have to initialize our driver object. Driver equals to web driver dot, we are going to use Chrome, so it will be Chrome, and then I have to pass the Chrome is executable path. This is the executable path. What will be the path? I can do it from here, but I have done some other test, so I'm just copy pasting the path because I'm not going to use the same thing. And let me copy paste this as well. Like I'm going to tell you like so. Okay, this is one parameter. I'm just putting this options. I'll tell you why I'm going to do this thing. Okay, fine. This is done, this is done, this is done. Chrome option done. So now we have initialized, or we have created our driver web driver object with the executable path. Now the next thing is that we have to initialize whether our window will be maximum or something like that. Like if I go driver dot window, you can make it window full screen or window maximize, maximize window, so it will be the browser will be open in maximize mode. And after that can just driver dot implicit, let give it like 5 seconds, and after that just driver dot close. So I'm just going to tell you like what is going to happen, then we'll talk after that. Okay, so I think it opened, and after that it just closed the browser. Let me make it like for 15 seconds. It is just closing the browser immediately. Okay, so I have to make it more like import time and make it like time dot sleep in 15. Now let's try. See, it will be, the browser has opened and it will be there for 15 seconds, and after that it will be closed. And why I am just passing all those options, disable notification, I will tell you now. And please remember, every time it is going to browser as a incognito mode, like not your normal like browsing mode. You will not have any of your stored cookies, password, nothing will be there. It is kind of like if you open your browser from here, like This will be with this mode, incognito mode. Okay, so if I open browser from here and see like this, like, okay, uh, if you do something, so after logging into your Facebook, we'll get some notification on LinkedIn, some notification that this website wants to send you, no, do you want this website to send you notification from next time? You have to like accept or something kind of cancel. So I don't want to like receive those alert in this browsing window, or else we will be not able to click, the main page will not be loaded correctly. So I just stopped that using this disable notification in the argument, like options dot using add argument. I did that. I can do many things, like if I put options dot add argument, after that if I can make, like, there are multiple things are available, like if you don't want to do something in the browser, like when the browser is visible in the screen, like you want to do the operation from the background, like that is called like headless mode, like you will open your Facebook, you will in the like headless mode, like it will not open. So for that you need to use this one, like headless inside this. So yeah, this is something like that. There are many things are available. You can go through the documentation of, like, if I go here, like Selenium, WebDriver, like Chrome, Python. There are multiple, like you can go through this forums and all, everything is means written over there. So I'm just going through one simple example of how you can log in through like Facebook. So what I'll do, I'll just remove this line, and after that driver. Okay, so what is this part is about, like browser uh, opening, opening of browser, start 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 the browser, start the browser, start the browser using WebDriver object. Fine. Now navigate to LinkedIn homepage. Navigate to home page. Then it will be driver dot get. Then you have to use the URL. I think this is fair enough. This is fine. So let's try this first. It will take some time, and after that it will open. See, my mouse is here, so I'm not typing anything or I'm not doing anything. It will be automatic, don't worry. Cool. So now next, I think we need to go here, right? So think I think we have to click here. So many of you already know what is XPath, but if someone is not aware of XPath, then I'm going to start another series on XPath. Like, this is very important to use all this automation, like techniques while you are using Python and all, because see, everything is available inside your like source code or inside your element tags from like Chrome developer console. You can see it. So I have to reach this element and I have to click, so that it will like it will show me the sign in option. So how you are going to reach that? You can do it using like tag name, tag ID, CSS selector or whatever. So here I'm going to use the XPath. XPath means like the path of this element in this website. Okay, the relative path. Okay, so it will be like mm, A. Then I think this is class, if I'm not wrong. Like mhm, class equals to. Let me check. Yes, perfect. So I have to click here. So I'm not sure. As I told you, all these sort of programs or like codes, you do not have to memorize it. Like you don't have to memorize anything. Like you have to just divert dot find element by C. You have to just understand the logic, or you have to develop your own logic by like by uh, by seeing the web page or by viewing the HTML like elements and all, and after that you can write your own logic, and after that see click. Okay, so let's try again. So now it should like navigate us to the sign in page. Let's see whether it is happening or not. I think something not working. Unable to locate no such element. It is saying there is no such element. Interesting. Okay, think maybe it is not loaded. Give me 10-second delay. No, this is not working. So I think we should not navigate again to the web page. Okay, let's use the other one, like this one. Maybe I'm not sure why it is not why this is not working, but again I should not spend much time. Dot, but this time I'm going to use element by CSS selector. So give a try. Strange. Give me a last try. Thing. Mm, okay. I think we can use the link as well. Mm, I think this also can work. I think link. I think this should work at least. Find element by link text, and I think this is sign. Okay. I think this is sign in. I have sign in. This should work now. Still not working means not sure. Like why this is not working. Sign in. Click. Find element by ID. Okay, I believe definitely this should be inside some iframe. If you have some iframe, then only it is possibly not able to load these things. Possibly this is possible, or else there is no other way. Yes, this is iframe. So just because this is actually inside some iframe, that is why it is not able to load this thing. So this is normal. Like if your elements are inside some iframe, you will not be able to like go through using normal thing. First you have to go through the web page, then you have to switch to the iframe, and after that you will be able to understand sorry, you will be able to navigate. So this is kind of like a new thing. I also not sure about that whether this page is having iframe or not. But again, this is a new thing for us. But again, I'm going to tackle this right away right now. Don't worry about that. So iframe. So like let me first like I think I'm not sure like how many iframes will be there. Mhm. I think this is the only one iframe, maybe. I'm not sure. We need to check that how many iframes are there. So depending on that, we'll be doing on uh, thing iframe. Okay. Yes. See the inside the iframe, everything is there. So we need to just navigate to the iframe first. Sorry, we need to like switch to the iframe first, and after that we can navigate. So this is kind of normal thing, but again, as just because we're doing it for the first time, it will be difficult. For example, I'm also like not sure like how to go through this iframe. But again, as I told you, like I have done it in past, so I will see. But this should, it looks okay, like we can do it. Like there is not much things are available, so uh, let me see like how we can do this thing. Let me first check how many iframes are there before going to that. So let me call iframe equals to just I'm just taking creating one thing like driver dot find element by tag name. Anyways, iframe is a tag name, so I this is frame. Like let's see. Switch to iframe. I think it will be iframe 0, the first one. I'm not sure how many is there, but again, I'm just going to think this should work. Let me do it first. I think I should remove that sleep part for the time being now, because this is working now. Let me check whether it is throwing any error or not. I think mm, like not supported iframe. Switch to iframe 0, type error. Web element object does not support indexing. I switch. Think I made a mistake. That should be this. Let's come here. Mm-hmm. It is again throwing the error. I'm not sure why this is throwing the error. Lost iframe 0. Let me check it first. How many frames are like okay, iframe. Okay. Then everything is inside that. So why can't we iframe? If I do like this, but again it should not work. Think I'm not sure. Something happened. Driver dot find element by link text. Let me sign in. Let me run this. I think now this is working. At least it is not throwing the error. So I think just now this is opened actually. So let me quit everything, then it will be easier for understand. Okay, let's run this again. Okay, see, this is loading. Now we have to pass our user ID and email ID, password, and sign in. So the next thing is now. So authentication, how we will get the user ID and password from the CSV. Oh, from CSV credential. Driver dot, okay, again ID is username, okay, and the next ID is password. Driver dot find element by ID is username. Driver dot find element by ID is thing password. Now we have to send as a keys, like we have to type like send keys dot send keys. What we are going to send, we'll send email and password. So here we'll send email, send pswd. Let's try. We're not hitting the submit button now, we are just sending the user ID and password, only typing the user ID and password automatically. Let's see how it happens. Let's see. It should work. Okay, now I have to click on the sign in button. I think this, and now I should sign. Think that should work. But this is not working. I'm not sure like what is the problem. Button at the text is okay, but how about this one? I think if I remove this one, yes, this is working. So I have to take this one, like driver dot find element by XPath. I just now I type XPath, so XPath, and then I should place this, now this, and here it should be like this, then click. I think, let's see, this should work now. This, it should log log into my main feed, like homepage of LinkedIn. Let's see, let's try. I think this will work. But if it is not able to not able to identify or find the element, then again we have to again do some more debugging. But this should work now. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, finally, it's working. This is working now. Step 3 completed. Now I want to click here as I told you. So inspect. What is this? I think this is definitely a button. Okay. Uh, Wait a minute. I'm just getting a call. Uh, Send me. Okay. This is fine. So we have to click here somehow. So let's see how we can do this. Like, as I told you, like button. This is some sort of button, right? Button or what? Like, mm, this is some sort of button, if I'm not wrong, right? I think this is button, but I'm not able to see that button over here. I think button dot button, but it is inside some class. Could dismiss. So I think this is the thing. We can use it. Like, let me check first. Like, let's again try with this one button. Then this at the red class equals to. I think I should use. I think this should work. See, let's try with this one. Okay, so let's try. I think this is not working. This is not working. Unable to. No, this is not working. Not sure. Like, let's try again. Like this should work, but I'm not sure why it is not working. Maybe I have to give some time dot sleep, maybe 5 seconds, maybe 5 seconds. Let's try again. Fine, this is working. Yes, I think this is click now. The thing is that that time it was like not able to, the page was not able to not able to render his elements like fully, and before that it is trying to click. So it is now working. The next thing is that we have to go to here, like we like to go here in this path, sorry, in this tab. So how to go there? Inspect numbers. Sorry, I've done something, not sure what I made some mistake. Not sure what I'm done. Okay, let me open this again. Okay, so now I think this is the item ID. I can use this one. Done. Dot click. Let's try this one. Yes, fine. Okay, done. Now I want to click here and I want to go here. So if I go back, inspect, think I can use this for this thing as a XPath, like with text, like the same we uh, did last time. The same thing, maybe. Yes, I think. Let me try. span text. This equals to this. Yes, fine. So I will use this as XPath. Like this is like a span tag. Inside that, I'm just if the text is manageable, then it will find the element and it will highlight. See, so you can in that way you can do it. So driver dot find element by and I have to remove this. Just I'm using double quotes, sorry, single quote inside, so I should not use. So this. So let's try. I think again this is not working just because uh, it it is actually not able to render the whole page, and before that it is actually trying to like locate the element. So the whole thing, like whatever we did till now, like I have to again like give one like what I can say, like slip, like time dot slip, and inside that maybe I should give 5 seconds and we'll try again. Okay, now it is working. Now I have to come and click in this part. So this is interesting, like I have to click this part. So this is kind of thing, label this thing, I think. Got it. So this is okay. I'll use this time CSS selector. Like I will use that CSS selector to click this part. So copy. Now let me like I'll give for maybe 2 seconds is fine. I'll explain this why. So label.m0.inline block, see here. So this is the label tag. Inside that I have to reach, anyway I can do using this one, label.contact select checkbox as well, but I am using this class attribute. This is called attribute, this is called tag, this is called value. So I am using the value of any attribute. So label.m0.inline block, so we have to use dot for multiple, like when you are dealing with multiple values and inside the tag, so that's why. So click like this. Let's check it, what is going to happen now. See, this is done. Now only one thing is pending. This is, I think this is, any guess guys, what will be this one? I think we can use this one, like this one. We can use this one, the XPath we can use like this, like see, very simple. If you do practice for maybe 1 hour or maybe 2 hours, you will become expert. So trust me guys, this is very simple thing. You can do multiple things using this technique. So done. So guys, so what I'll do, just I'll put some, I think this is not required, but again I'm just doing. So let me segregate this thing, like up to this part is authentication, up to this part is hashtag navigate to connection request page, navigate to, and this is select all connection request, and the last part is accepting the request. Okay, done. This is done. So this is the code guys, if anyone is interested to see it. This is the code. I'm not getting time to upload this course to GitHub, but soon we'll start that as well. So let me run this one first. Okay. think I'm getting some error. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's run it. I think this will work, or else we have to again debug. But again, uh, right, we need to debug only one button if that is the case. But I'm sure that this will work. Okay, dun, 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 magic. Cool. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So just do me a favor, let me know your like valuable like feedback in the form of comments just below of our video, because we need to uh, we need to actually understand like how you guys are thinking about our videos. And also if possible do some like positive or negative comments or feedback, whatever possible, please do. Like do some sharing over Facebook, Twitter, whatever. Like ask your friends to visit our channel. If they like our videos, ask them to subscribe to our channel, so it will motivate us. And also we'll be keep doing this sort of videos. If you can see like this, all these video materials or whatever we are doing, it is like unique topics. Like most of the topics, I can guarantee, like not most of the thing, maybe 99% of the contents whatever like available in our channel in YouTube, this is completely unique. We are not copy pasting from somewhere and like making the videos. And also it is not available in some other website. So all our videos are like live use cases or something like that. So please, if possible, try to make us like give some engagement from your side as well, so it will motivate us. So if possible, like, share, subscribe, whatever possible, do it from your side. We'll be really thankful for that. So as of now, for today, hopefully I'll upload one more video to do today, cause today is Saturday. I'm having some time. So by evening or by night, you will also getting one more videos. So till then, goodbye, see you again, and take care.